I wanna live your life. I wanna dream your dream.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
So, hi guys. As you can see by what's in the background, we got our dream iMac. I was gonna get the pink one, but I totally forgot, for some reason it like went over my head or something, that the back of the pink one is like a reddish color. It's not for me. So I'm gonna give you guys a little, of course she starts playing with her toy, but I'm just gonna give you guys a little, like a hey, you know, this is what I got. I don't have the software I was wanting because the taxes was a little bit more, so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit for the, anyway, I got the 24-inch iMac, the latest edition, latest model, whatever, in the biggest gigabyte you can get, and it's in silver, and that's pretty much all I know. Okay, I will try to link down below the one I got it from Best Buy, like I said. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Okay guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was gonna do like an ASMR type of unboxing video, but of course the husband was in here and I was also trying to record a TikTok at the same time, and plus the dog was being loud playing with her toys and stuff. So there's that, but I'm super excited about it. Unfortunately, if you do get this one and you do YouTube videos, I didn't know this until last night when I was unboxing it. You have to have an SD card reader because all that's on here is USB-Cs. There's no slots for a memory card or anything. So my phone holder, is currently holding my SD card. So as you guys seen in the beginning of this, there's gonna be like a pan of it. So anyway, at my desk. But if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, also I hope you guys are loving the new intro and outro. I made it myself. I know it's not the best. I'm getting there. I'm trying my best, but we'll make it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Lick the moons, catch them stars in the night. Every superpower